I was fortunate to grow up in Southern California, and many of my childhood memories are from happy days spent at the beach. We pretty much lived at the beach during the summer months, and my mom would whip up her famous potato salad recipe, store it in a big cooler that we would take with us so that we could enjoy it sitting under a beach umbrella under the sun. Now, if we were careful enough not to get sand in it, it was super tasty, and it's the same recipe that I have now been making for more than 20 years, and I'm happy to share it with you today. Unlike most potato salad recipes that are pretty beige and bland looking, this one has quite a bit of color and texture. And that's because it's a combination of red potatoes, hard-boiled eggs, celery, radishes, green onion, dill, and mayonnaise. It's creamy, has a nice little crunch to it, and it's the perfect salad recipe to take with you to the beach or to serve up as a side dish for all of your outdoor parties and barbecues. So let me show you how to make it. To make the best potato salad recipe, you need to choose the right potatoes, and I recommend red or white new potatoes. They're creamy, lower in starch, and hold together well after cooking, so you don't end up with a mushy potato salad. And of course, I like the red potatoes as it just adds more color. You definitely want to steer clear of russet potatoes, and I explain why on the full recipe post. So fill a pot with water and then place your potatoes in the water. Turn the heat to high and bring that to a boil. While you're waiting for the potatoes to come to a boil, fill another pot with water, and we'll use this for the eggs. Once your potatoes are boiling, you can salt the water, but remember to never salt until the water is boiling, otherwise the salt will pit the bottom of your pot. Then reduce the heat to a simmer and set the timer for 20 minutes. After the other pot has come to a boil, reduce the heat to low and carefully transfer your eggs with a skimmer. Once the eggs are in the pot, turn the heat back up to high and cook them for 12 minutes for perfect hard-boiled eggs. While the potatoes and eggs are cooking, get an ice water bath ready. After 12 minutes, remove the eggs from the pot and transfer them to the ice water bath so that they immediately stop cooking. Then, once your other timer has gone off, use a fork to poke one of your potatoes to make sure it's fully cooked. Your fork should go through fairly easily, but you do want a little resistance because if your fork just slides right through, your potatoes will end up really soft and likely fall apart more in the salad. Transfer the potatoes to the ice water bath just to blanch them, and then transfer both the eggs and potatoes to the fridge to cool completely. So once everything is cooled, we can start to dice it up. Cube the potato into about 1-inch sized pieces and add it to the mixing bowl. I know some people like to cut their potato first, then boil when they make potato salad, but I like to cut my potatoes after boiling as I find that they hold up better and don't seem to get as waterlogged. Next, dice up your hard-boiled eggs and add those to your mixing bowl as well. You'll notice there's no green tinge around the yolk with my eggs, which means they've been perfectly boiled, and I've got a separate video for how to make perfect hard-boiled eggs if you happen to miss that. Slice up 3 stalks of celery and 4 green onions for that delicious crunch and bright pop of green color in the potato salad. I cut the celery lengthwise first for more bite-sized pieces, then slice it up. And now for the ingredient that I think makes my mom's potato salad recipe the best, and that's radishes. These little radishes add such amazing flavor to the potato salad, so just slice the tail and stem off the radish and use a box grater to grate them up. But do be careful as radishes are quite small and you want to keep all of your fingers intact. Add about a tablespoon of chopped dill for that fresh herb flavor, and then add 1 cup of mayonnaise, a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and a 1/2 teaspoon of sea salt, and then gently stir it all together until it's creamy and well combined. This potato salad will last for about 3 to 4 days in the fridge, and it really does get better after the flavors have all melded together. But I can tell you from firsthand experience that there's rarely any leftovers because it gets devoured right up. For the printable version of this potato salad recipe, make sure to visit my website, downshiftology.com. And if you loved the video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give it a thumbs up. And I will see you guys again next week with a tasty new recipe.